Hello, this is Tim. My name is Tim Ritter, and this is Terry. We taught West Coast Swing, beginning West Coast Swing. This is the TMCC social dance mix. What we taught first was the sugar push, a basic sugar push. Gentlemen, your weight is on your right. Ladies' weight is on her left. And what we talked about is actually settling into the hip, so that way, when you're ready to step or take that first step, your foot is free to step one. Ladies, the same thing. So gentlemen, what I'm doing is I'm actually shifting my weight to the right. Ladies will shift her weight to her left. Gentlemen, what we're doing is we're doing back, back, touch, forward, triple step. So what's happening here is we're doing a 1, stepping back on 2, touching 3, stepping forward on 4, and then tripling 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Ladies, if you watch Terry's footwork, what you're doing here is you're stepping forward on the right foot, so you're doing a 1, stepping 2, we touch, doing a 3, ladies will step back on 4, and we'll triple 5 and 6. The other thing that we discussed in class was our hands. Gentlemen, what you're doing is you're making a tray with these hands. And what you're doing is, gentlemen, you'll drop your right, ladies will drop her left. Gentlemen, what I want you to do is almost like you're holding a beer, if you will. So, ladies, what you're doing is you're putting your fingers within his beer, or his drink, if you will. What's happening here is we talked about leverage compression, and what we did is we took the two hands together, and we actually put our feet together, and we pulled away from each other or leaned back. This was actually called leverage, okay? And then what we did is we came forward and we did compression, okay? So we talked about what leverage was and what compression was. And this is very important, and the reason that it's important is this is how you get your lead and follow, okay? So what we're going to do here is, gentlemen, your weight is on your right, ladies' weight is on her left. What we're doing is we're putting our hand, gentlemen, we're holding our mug here. Ladies are putting her fingers in our mug or in our drink. Gentlemen, take your thumb right here and just put it on the side here. We want to make sure we don't want to put it over the ladies' fingers here. Gentlemen, your weight's on your right, ladies, your weight's on your left. We're going to step forward and we're going to do a 1, 2. So we're going to step 1. Now on that 2, what's going to happen is your right hand's going to come up, gentlemen. And then again, this is a sugar push. Your hand comes up on 2. Ladies, your hand will be coming up. And this is where we get compression. So we do a touch, 3, 3 on and. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have her step back, and this is a body lead. So as I step forward, I'm going to give her a body lead. So I'm going to go 4, bringing my body forward, and then we're going to do a 5 and 6. 5 and 6. This is really important because what we get on the floor a lot, our social floor, is gentlemen will go 1, 2, 3, and they'll do 4, 5, and 6. And as you can see, I didn't lead with my body. It wasn't a body lead. I simply had just push, and that is the wrong way to do it. So we'll go ahead and give you an example. We go 1, 2, 3, step forward, 4, 5, and 6. It's a better lead, and it looks a lot better, too. What we did is we actually were able to introduce the triple step on it, too. So what we can do is dismiss the touch step and actually add triple here. What we would do is we would go back 1, stepping 2, and again what we do is a triple or a touch step, but what we're going to do now is we're going to do a triple step. So we're going to do a triple. Now when we step, gentlemen, you're coming forward, ladies, you're going back, step, and then triple again. Triple step. So it looks like this without stopping. We're going 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay? And then if we have a partner, we have leverage again. We're going to start the sugar push with triples. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And then what we did next was an underarm pass. Underarm pass looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay? I'll go ahead and do this another way, but I'm going to go ahead and discuss the hands first. Gentlemen, we talked about what we call a cup and pin. Gentlemen, you're having 2 fingers here. Ladies, what you're doing is you're actually taking your hands and you're cupping, just like at the end of the night if you were to cup some water and wash your face. What's important about this is I'm going to rotate within this hand. When I rotate within this hand, the last thing I want to happen is us grabbing each other. When we grab each other, that causes friction and it also causes broken bones and fingers and what have you. So as I move through this, as we do a side cross side and she moves from point A to point B, I actually simply rotate within this hand, and that actually creates, number 1, a good look, and number 2, we don't hurt one another. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and start 1, 2 on this. Gentlemen, as far as your footwork, what you're doing is you're stepping back on 1, and you're crossing here on 2, and we make that a very small step. And then what we're going to do is we're going to triple around 3 and stepping 4, and we're going to triple 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Let me show you that again. So gentlemen, your weight is on your right. We're stepping back on 1. We're crossing small on 2. We're going to do a 3 and 4, tripling around, 3 and 4, and then tripling 5 and 6, 5 and 6. What the ladies are doing is their weight is on their left, or ready to go with their right foot. Terry's going to step 1, so she steps 1. Now when she steps 2, she takes a 30-degree angle out on 2. That gives us a nice looking leg line, ladies. Now we're going to do 3 and, she's crossing in front, 3 and, she'll step 4, and then what she'll do is gradually turn on that 5 and 6, 5 and 6. I'll have Terry do it one more time. She steps 1. She steps 2, 30-degree angle out, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, crossing in front, doing a triple step, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Together, that looks like this. So gentlemen, what I explained in class was I want you to do cup and pin. You're going to step 1, 1, and we're going to check the watch here. 2, we're going to check to see what time it is. Here I'm rotating within her hand. Now we do our triple, triple. Triple step and triple step.